The new YZF-R1M is based on 22 years of race-winning engineering forged from countless World Championship races. From cross-plane crankshafts to revolutionary electronics, Yamaha's historical achievements have become the future of our world. The new R1M comes with an updated cross-plane crankshaft engine with revised cylinder head, camshaft profiles, finger follower rocker arms, and fuel injectors for refined performance. A new accelerator position sensor with grip ride-by-wire system with Yamaha's chip-controlled throttle eliminates cables and provides smoother throttle operation. An augmented electronics package offers even more rider control via Yamaha's proprietary 6-axis inertial measurement unit with a new engine brake management system that allows 3 levels of engine braking to suit the rider and track conditions. EBM 1, 2, or 3. And new brake control technology processes real-time bike attitude and wheel speed for enhanced braking control. Riders can select BC1 for enhanced straight-line braking or BC2 for enhanced braking in corners. The new engine brake management and brake control technology, in addition to the other YRC settings, are adjustable through the onboard YRC interface and the Y-Track smartphone and tablet app. The new R1M features revised Ohlins electronic racing suspension. A new MPX pressurized fork features a gas cylinder built into the axle bracket, while the rear shock has revised settings to match. The YRC and Y-Track systems offer rider adjustability that take the new Ohlins suspension to the next level for added confidence and grip through the new Bridgestone RS 11 tires. Next generation R-Series design increases aerodynamic efficiency while reducing pressure and wind noise. And along with the beautiful carbon fiber fairing, the new R1M receives a new carbon tail section. Plus, new compact LED headlights optimize illumination and combine with the redesigned styling. And all R1M models will be available in limited quantities and individually numbered to show their exclusivity. The new Yamaha R1M. Evolutionary refinement, augmented electronics, enhanced suspension, advanced aerodynamics, and next-generation R-Series styling. Our history, your future. We are one.